Today I'm presenting the brand new 2025 RP-204. RP-204, normally RP they don't come with a slide, but this one has a bedroom slide. It's very well known RP no bedroom slide, except this floor plan. The RP-204 has a bedroom slide. So we have a nice U-shaped living room in the front, kitchen in the middle, bathroom in the middle, and then we have a nice bedroom slide, like a complete bedroom slide out with a closet and bar stools and counter. And that's what I'm going to show you inside the floor plan. Now, one of the major features about the R-Pod for the 25 models, we have automatic window in the front, and this window is open. So it has an arm, and you go open, you could get a fresh air, and it has a shade for privacy. Aluminum frame, fiberglass. We have a full storage in the front in pass-through with the light and USB plug. Very well known in the R-Pod, they have the, as usual for the 25, the middle wheel fender, so it's not a plastic. We have the off-road tires with the gold rim. This has the Asdel fiberglass. GPL speakers outside with the power awning and LED light for the awning. Matter of fact, let me show you the light. You just go inside, porch light and awning light, and you will see the porch light and the LED light. It comes with outdoor barbecue grill. As you see, this awning, it covers majority of the trailers. So when you have that awning is open, I could put my outside grill, my lounge chairs. I have a outside shower, hot and cold. If I want to rinse my hand, I could put my TV. There's a plug here, and I could enjoy the outdoor living. In the back, as usual, it has a leopard extended ladder prep, rear camera prep, spare tire on the cover, class 3 hitch underneath. So if you want to take a rack with you, put your cargo rack or bike rack. I like about the R-Pod, everything sit up high, so I don't have to worry. This is the storage outside underneath the bed. So the bed on this unit is divided halfway, half storage from inside and half storage from outside, as you see. Typical R-Pod, they give you the endless hot water heater, on-demand endless hot water heater. Lights, so you don't have to carry a flashlight at night when you do all your septics. All the valves is sitting up high. Power cord, cell light hookup, and then we have the city water connections, and then we have the pass-through storage through this unit. Aluminum frame, power tank jack, propane tank with the cover, diamond shield, and this is the RP-204. Let's go inside and show you the new features inside and the beautiful floor plan, how roomy it is. We're inside the RP-204. So as you see, we're walking straight. We have a nice U-shaped dinette. And by the way, this is a double bed because this table go down and become a bed. As we see, demonstrate for you, this one come with the shade. You could see on the 25, what I really like about it, they have a new mechanism for their dinette table. So I could scoop it, I could move it any position I want. So it's easy for me to get in the dinette, especially. And then here's, we're gonna demonstrate for you. Voila. So I have the nice window in the front, and it has also a screen. So here's a screen. So if I want to open it, let the fresh air come inside and not make sure the bugs come inside, voila, it has a screen. You want to have a privacy, very simple and easy. All I do, I have to bring it down. This dinette is easy to get, to work around it, to sit around it, and then this one turn down and become a bed. From the U-shaped dinette, we're facing nice kitchen. People love this kitchen because it gives you a prepping area. As well, I have a prep area around the 2-burner stove. To the right, to the left, I have the nice cutting board, and the big circle sink with the spray faucet, and I could use this as sink cover window, I could see through it. Fan, light. Look how big this storage. All storage. So all that L-shaped kitchen is the storage compartments. In the 25 models, they do day-night light. I like this features. They start doing the daylight, so it's very bright when you inside your trailer. Big storage for cooking pans, deep. Look how deep it is. Convection microwave. This is cooking oven microwave. Tinsel doors. USB plug, 110 plug. And then once come to over here, I have 32-inch smart TV. You could see it's very smart. And shelf for books or whatever you want. USB plug. Then typical 10.7 cubic foot refrigerator and freezer run off 12 volt. This one will give you a full privacy. So in case if I don't want somebody in the living area see what's my bathroom and see my bedroom, voila, I close this door and I have full privacy. Then we have a pass-through bathroom here, which is, you could see a nice sink with a medicine cabinet. It's open with a toothbrush backsplash. This is the 30 amp solar panel controller, place for towels. Nice, more storage. Big sink, no problem with knees. Standing shower with a skylight and a privacy. Towel rack. Nice. It has the lift here and you sweep, as will come with all the accessories for the central vac. I like these sensors, light at night so you don't have to light everything. Fantastic fan in the bathroom, so you could see it's loaded. Then you have another privacy door, so if you want somebody to use the bathroom and you don't want them to see your bedroom, voila, there's another pocket door. So I have 3 separations. One is the bedroom, so bedroom, bathroom, kitchen, living room, 4 separations. Then when you come over here, if you want to bring them, show them, look how beautiful this bedroom. It's a queen slide out, 3 windows, so for window circulations. Big storage underneath, as we indicate to you. Half the bed is storage from inside, half the bed is storage from outside. It has a nice shelf here. If you have SAB machines, plugs, you could put a second TV here. There's a place for another TV here, TV bracket. I love this bar stool. In the morning, laptop, makeup, fixing, mirrors, whatever you want to do. It's all of the above. It has 2 stools, cabinet, storage, more storage. Here's your outdoor barbecue, more storage, the closets, and doors for socks and underwears and so on. So this is the 204, and the beauty about it is half-ton towable. So if you have a small SUV, small truck, you could pull this RP 204. Look how beautiful it is. Look how beautiful this 204. So the RP 204, U-shaped dining in the front, L-shaped kitchens, bathroom in the middle, and a queen bedroom slide. We have it at price. What's the model of Best RV? Lowest price in California. No dealer could match, and no any hidden fees. Come to Best RV, or you click the link underneath this video, or call us or email us, and we'd love to respond to you. Make it happen.